Since 1996, Rakem Group have introduced innovative chemicals and raw materials into the UK manufacturing industry. We serve diverse industries from coatings to construction, working with our global partners to ensure quality and sustainable solutions that enhance our customers' products. Whether you require high-performance pigments, functional fillers, or cutting-edge additives, you can trust Rakem Group to deliver exceptional results.
Our company values are at the heart of everything we do. We prioritise long-term relationships, treating our customers, employees and stakeholders as part of our extended family. Our commitment to these values drives our success and innovation.
Rakem Group is unique in our industry. We are an agent and distributor for some of the world's leading producers of functional additives. We also design and develop innovative systems that improve our customers' processes.
Our manufacturing division focuses on delivering high-quality solutions, specialising in the production and customisation of water-based products. Our experienced technical team is dedicated to understanding your unique requirements and provide tailored solutions for your products.
In our distribution division, we act as the trusted agent and distributor for manufacturers supplying specialty raw materials across several sectors, including paper, coatings, plastics, textiles and fibres, pharmaceuticals and other applications. Our dedicated sales team is here to support you, ensuring that you find the right products for your needs.
Our Cemkem products are a vital part of our offerings, providing top quality additives and admixtures that enhance the performance of leading construction brands. What truly sets us apart from our competitors is our dedicated technical support team, which backs the development of each product. They're industry experts who are passionate about helping you elevate your construction products to the next level.
At Rakem Group, we believe that corporate social responsibility is integral to our mission. Our three-pillar approach emphasises environmental sustainability, social support and ethical governance. We are committed to giving back to our community in numerous ways, including donations to local charities, active volunteering by our team members, organising charity events and supporting local businesses. Our determination to make a positive impact drives us to care for those around us and contribute to the overall well-being of our community. Together, we're committed to creating a brighter future for all.
Research and development is at the centre of our innovation strategy. Our dedicated R&D team is constantly exploring new technologies and materials, ensuring we provide cutting-edge, bespoke products, advanced solutions and technical support that keeps you at the forefront of the chemical manufacturing industry.
We are proud of our ISO 9, 14 and 45001 certifications, along with our Silver EcoVadis rating us in the top 15% globally. Our commitment to quality extends to ongoing training programs that develop our employees' skills. Looking ahead, we aim to reduce our carbon footprint by calculating our Scope 1, 2 and 3 emissions, and setting targets to achieve net zero by 2030.
Nobody take a photograph of this. The Rakem Group have introduced new and innovative...
So our values are at the heart of everything we do. Our company values are family, fun, integrity.
Tyler's lost it. Get those Oscars ready. Action. Sorry.
So you said your chicken was raw?
Yeah.
Right, okay, sorry about that.
Drives our success.
And provide tailored solutions.
You can trust Rakem Group to deliver exceptional results.
It's alright, it's alright.
That's brilliant.
Action.
And provide tailored solutions for your products.
Perfect. Good work.
Happy days?
Strangest thing you'll do all day, that mate.
There you go. Such a gorgeous boy.